Did you get a package, Nicholas? What'd you get, baby? What'd you get? A box? Did you get a box? Did you get a box? Are you going to close it? I think you should open it. Did you get a box from Grandma and Grandpa? He's trying to close it. You're silly. What is it? What's in there, Nikki? What's in there, Nikki? Nikki, what's in there? What's in the box? What's in the box? Can you show Mama? Can you show Mama? What's in the box? Ooh. What's in that box, huh? Here, look. Look.
So, it's in the box. It's a nice box, huh? These nicer stuff inside the box.
His face. You gonna look in the box? Ma? Yeah. Mama said, look what's in the box. Look. What's that? What is that? Who's that? Just keeps going back to the box. Oh, clothes. Look at that, Nicholas. That's for you. That's for you. He's like, there's one. Let me check out the other ones. Oh, you gonna eat that?
Eat that big boy.
Oh, it's Tigger. You can eat him. It's Tigger. You can suck on him. You gonna taste him? Oh, there he goes. Oh, you like Tigger. You like Tigger. Can you say thank you? Can you wave bye-bye? Nicholas, can you wave bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Show them how you say bye-bye. Oh, bless you.
You say bye-bye, Nikki? Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
He just wants my hand.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
You might find that customized protection costs less than you think. For auto, home, renters, life,
Nikki
and
Bud.
Our local shoe mall was a Saturday morning.
Bye-bye.
We just got back from some fun in the summer. It wasn't so much fun. Steri's kind of boring. And remember, we tried to see our favorite band. And we had fun, but we just really, really missed Uncle Stu.
Can you give him a kiss? Nikki. Can you give him a kiss? Show him how you give kiss. Oh, he just did it. He's doing it. Aw, that's so sweet. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Nicholas. Bye-bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Nicky bye. I love you.
Still got $5 million in campaign money and was considering running for mayor of New York in 2013. Samantha Hayes has the details from his news conference. After attempting for weeks to survive a sexting scandal, Congressman Anthony Weiner announced his resignation before a crew of journalists and a few hecklers in Brooklyn, New York.
So today I'm announcing my resignation from Congress. So my company.
It's just making noise.
He's reading it. Are you reading it? Huh, baby? Huh?
Nicholas. Nicholas. Look at Mama. Can you look at Mama? Nicholas. He's too into it. He doesn't care.